Focus on your breathing. Breathing deeply from your diaphragm, in and out. Make your body comfortable. Settle into place. Focus on your breath. In and out. Observe your breath as it flows in and out of your body. With each breath, allow your body to relax. Let your breath carry away tension from your flesh. Relax your feet and legs. Let your belly soften and relax. Breathe away all the tension from your shoulders and arms. Relax your neck. Breathing deeply all the while. Finally, relax your face, your mouth, and your eyes. With each breath you take, your body becomes warmer, comfortable, and relaxed. Your mind is alert and prepared for magic. Now, with your body still and calm, imagine that from your feet or the base of your spine, roots begin to grow downward. Roots reaching and growing into the earth, down through soil and stone, deepening and spreading, reaching out to touch the waters under the earth, reaching the earth current, the dark, cool, magnetic power that nourishes and sustains life. As your roots touch this current, it is drawn in and upward to your body. Your breath draws the earth power upward into your body. The invisible magnetic power fills your legs, energizing and strengthening. Waters rise from the earth into your legs, rising into your loins, pooling in your loins, a cauldron of earth power. You breathe that power upward, rising from the earth, through your loins, rising up your spine, into your heart, pulling and filling a cauldron in your heart with healing, restorative energy. Power rising from the deep, through your loins, through your heart, rising up your spine and into your head, filling a cauldron of wisdom and vision behind your eyes, and rising still, filling all your body and flowing out again through the crown of your head, through your hands, flowing out around your body and back into the earth, The power under the earth flows in you, grounding you in the source of life. Now imagine the sky overhead, the sun and moon, and far beyond them the stars. Imagine a single star at the center of the sky, shining directly over your head, the center of your inner sky, your own pole star. You see a flash of light shining down from that star, streaming down between moon and sun, gold, silver, and blue-white light. The bright, warm, electric power of the sky. The light touches your head, filling and illuminating the cauldron like sun on still waters, shining from above, filling your head with warm, awakening power, flowing down into your heart, warming the cauldron of your heart, shining down through head and heart, illuminating the waters, downward to reach your loins. The cauldron shines with sky power in your loins. Tingling electrical light in head, heart, and loins. The light flows downward into the earth, and you are shining and flowing with the mingled powers of earth and sky, the raw material of magic, the chaos of potential and world order. These powers are balanced within you, yours to shape and use, always with you in some degree. But now, allow the powers to recede. Waters to the earth and light to the sky, knowing each time you attune them to you, you become more attuned, more at one with these powers. Breathe deeply. Slowly allow your awareness to return to your common senses. You may now open your eyes.